So let's get this pizza party started. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven according to the package directions on the crust. Then, we're going to spray our crust with some cooking spray and bake it in the oven till it's light and golden. Now, while the crust is baking, we're going to saute our vegetables. Now, I like to use 2 pans to saute my vegetables so that they don't get overcrowded and that they cook evenly. And you're going to take your cooking spray again, and you're going to coat the inside of the pans. And to one pan, you're going to add 1 cup of chopped mushrooms, a half a cup of thinly sliced red onions. And did you know that red onions contain a great compound that's great for your heart called organosulfur? They act as blood thinners just like aspirin would. And these compounds also improve the ratio of good cholesterol to bad cholesterol. Now to the second pan, we're going to add 1 clove of minced garlic, 1 zucchini that we've sliced thin, and 1 yellow squash. Now you'll notice I've left the skins on, and that's because zucchini and yellow squash are a great source of vitamin A, C, and folate. And those nutrients are found where? In the skin. So never peel your squash or zucchini. You just want to be sure to give them a good wash before using. Now we're going to cook these veggies until they have just browned a little bit, but still have a little bit of snap. We don't want to overcook them. So let's check and see how our crust is doing. Beautiful. We're ready to sauce the pizza with our prepared hummus. Now, I mentioned earlier that hummus has lots of fiber, which is great for digestive health and for keeping blood sugar levels from spiking out of control. Now, all we have to do now is pile it on with our vitamin-packed vegetables. Top it off with a little oregano. Then simply pop it in the oven for 2 to 3 more minutes and we're ready to enjoy. Now, since this is a pizza party, I've got a couple of these in the oven going already. Now, I've made this pizza the health-eat cooking way, so you can be sure that it was going to be fast, fresh, and fabulous.